You hearing this weird fucking shit above us? Listen to this shit, guys. It's been going on for 15 minutes. Loud ass rumbling sound. Oh, now it's gone away. Sounds like thunder, but it sure as hell ain't thunder. Well, if I hear it again, I'll let you know. Alright, bye-bye.